Hi friends, it's Rebecka Forrester. If you're concerned about the rising costs of homeowner insurance in California, there's a reason to be. Companies like Travelers, Hartford, and Nationwide have issued no more policies, and many have left the state. So if you've received a notice of non-renewal for your policy, make sure to contact an insurance broker immediately. Do not rely on your mortgage company to replace your policy for you, because if they do, it's a forced insurance policy, and it could double your mortgage payment. If you also are relying on the FAIR plan, know that it only covers fire and smoke as well as internal combustion. It does not cover water damage or vandalism or property coverage. So you need to make sure that you're not relying on the FAIR plan or your mortgage company to replace your policy, but you need to do the due diligence in shopping around. And there are still affordable carriers, and there's things that you can do to keep your policy affordable during this time. So you can keep your credit good. You can make sure not to utilize claims on your policy and instead get a home warranty and use your home warranty as a claim instead for major systems and like plumbing and electrical and appliance issues instead of filing claims. Don't necessarily put in a pool right now, because that can cause insurance carriers to increase the cost of your liability coverage. Getting a dog like a pit bull or an Akita can also cause your insurance company to even cancel you. And making sure that you make your payments on time, super, super important. If you get a notice of renewal from your company and it's still too high, tell them you want to accept, but try to get them to raise your deductible. And instead of having a $500 deductible, now is the time to get a $5,000 deductible. And maybe one day when those companies come back into the state of California, we can start shopping again and getting better rates with lower deductibles. So lots of different ways to help. If you also call your auto insurance company, you can see if you can get a multi-plan discount, because that's really important and a good way to save money, if it's possible, if that carrier also still offers homeowner insurance in California. So if you're a buyer, make sure that you are protecting your deposit by writing in your offer that you have a certain amount of time to get insurance and that your deposit is not forfeited if you don't get insurance in that period of time. As a seller's agent, also, I will not accept an offer unless I have the buyer agree to have insurance in 2 weeks. So no longer are we accepting 2-week escrows, because it takes about that long to get insurance. Now, there are some few companies that will insure and bind in the same day, but they're very few and far between, and it's not eligible for every area. So let me know if I can be a resource to you. I'd be more than happy to help, and I hope this information blesses your day.